Knox College is represented this evening by Tambari T, Ariana Pinnock, Team Captain Jordan Mackenzie, and Cayenne Sinclair. While Denbigh is represented by Team Captain Justin Davis, Candy Richards, Demaro Powell, and Azariah Beckaroo. Only one of these teams will advance to the next round. Hello and welcome to this 10th match here in round 2 of TVJ's Schools Challenge Quiz. I'm Jean-Paul Manu. It all comes down to this. High schools from across the island have entered the challenge. But do they have the skill, the knowledge, and the temperament to move on to the next round? Let's get into the action. It's time for the opening challenge. In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and we receive 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier we had the toss. Knox College won and decided to go first. So we begin with Knox College. This section lasts for 4 minutes. Let's get that time on the clock, please. With that, Knox College, we begin with geography. On which continent is the Iberian Peninsula located?
Europe.
Good. Geography. Denbigh, which continent is known as the mother continent?
Africa.
That's right. International Affairs, a visual one for Knox College. Look at the monitor. Identify which country's flag is displayed.
Bahrain.
Belarus. International Affairs for Denbigh. Look at the monitor. Identify which country's flag is displayed.
Slovakia.
No, it's the Czech Republic. Chemistry for Knox College. What is the chemical formula for zinc phosphate?
Zn3(PO4)(2).
Correct. Chemistry Denbigh. What is the chemical formula for sodium phosphide?
Na3P.
Correct. Music and audio one for Knox College. Listen to the following clip. Identify the composer of this piece. No, it's Wolfgang Mozart, the Magic Flute. Music for Denbigh. Listen to the following clip. Identify the composer of this piece.
Ludwig van Beethoven.
No,
Ludwig van Beethoven.
Peter Tchaikovsky, the Nutcracker Suite. Mathematics for Knox College. If the perimeter of a square is 72 centimeters, then what is the area of that square?
18 squares, so centimeters. 324 square centimeters.
324 square centimeters.
Correct. Mathematics Denbigh. What is the volume of a cube if one of its sides measures 9 centimeters?
That's 9. That's
729 centimeters.
81 centimeters.
81 centimeters.
No, 729 centimeters cubed. Theatre and cinema, a visual one for Knox College. Look at the monitor. Identify this actor.
David Chicago.
No, that's Michael Gandolfini. Theatre and cinema for Denbigh. Look at the monitor. Identify this actor.
Chris Pratt.
No, that's James Norton. Both men featured in Bob Marley, One Love. History, Knox College. In what year in the 1960s did the Indochina War take place?
What year? 1965.
62. History for Denbigh. In what year in the 1970s did the Vietnam War end?
1975.
That's right. Sport, a visual one for Knox College. Look at the monitor. Identify this person, please.
Naomi Osaka.
No, it's Xinwen Zheng, a Chinese tennis player. Sport for Denbigh. Look at the monitor. Identify this person, please.
August Pratt.
No, Taylor Fritz, a tennis pro from the US. Physics for Knox College. The ratio of the velocities of an elastic object before and after collision with a flat inelastic surface is given a special name. What is it?
Elasticity ratio.
Elasticity ratio.
No, it's the coefficient of restitution. Physics for Denbigh. Centripetal is the adjective used to describe the force causing circular motion. What does centripetal mean?
Circular.
Circular.
No, seeking the center. Spanish for Knox College, and we won't have time. That's the end of the opening challenge. Scores in the match look to be Knox College and Denbigh High neck and neck on 3 points. When we come back, it'll be time for the Speed Challenge. School's Challenge quiz returns right after these messages.